it out because it's been rusted. You can actually see part of the structure frame underneath. So now I'm pulling all the parts off this to put onto my new car. That's what I drive daily. The other projects. This is going to be the rear engine. This is the engine of the twin engine car. The original first build, or half build. This was the original I was going to put those motors into and make this a 2.2 powered twin engine car. Got it so far built and I started thinking I don't want to hack this up. You can see where I didn't paint the bed because I was going to start torching on it and building the cage. It's got the Shelby front nose. You can look up carb to turbo Rampage and you'll see the build on this car. Converting it all over, harness, painting it, suspension, brakes, all kinds of stuff. This here is actually going to be the replacement build. I'm actually going to put a roll cage setup in there. Form the sheet metal panels in there for now. And I've got the inner panels that'll cover these up. I don't have a bed cover on the back of it so you can't see the actual back motor. This one absolutely has no rust. Worth building. Got it all pressure washed underneath the hood, getting ready to sand it down so I can prep it, get the motor mounted in there, get some wiring harness going. That was the front mount for designing the back there, setting the engine up. I'm probably going to change them front mounts and how the radiator mounts. Much straighter body. Well, that's pretty much the start. Working it there. Still got to trim out. These are going to be the inner panels. Line up and cover up all the slots and holes in there. And I've got another set of these wheels that'll be on there. The car will look identical to this one in every way. I'll put a bed cover on this. Might be fun to go out there and play with the street racers. Bet some money next time I can come back out next weekend. It'll look like the same car but with probably 1100 horse is what I'm hoping for. 550 on each. This one only had about 350 horse maybe with that motor in it, and it ran 8.0s out at 8th mile. And I'm debating on selling this because I kind of need the money for the build. I still got to buy a bunch of injectors to. It's a double build doing it this way. But anyway, till the next video.